first day of the Indian Grand Prix today witnessed a shocking gesture by the Italian Ferrari team. Fishermen's families who haven't stopped grieving since the day Italian Marines shot their loved ones dead have been now confronted with the spectre of an international motor manufacturer taking up cudgels on the behalf of the killers of their kin. Ferrari has no regret whatsoever for their expression of support for two Italians who are killers under the Indian law. Remember, these two Italian Marines have been jailed for shooting dead two Indian fishermen. Despite the F1 sports body condemning the Ferrari action, the motor manufacturer is adamant Ferrari has justified its support for Marines who have been charged with murdering Indian fishermen, saying that their expression of solidarity isn't a political statement. The raging Ferrari flag row has stung the F1 boss. Bernie Ecclestone today went on a damage control mode as Ferrari's decision to internationalize the arrest of Italian Marines for allegedly killing two Indian fishermen sparked a furor in India. The MEA, though, has done mere lip service again on the issue, saying that sports should not be used to promote an issue which is sub judice. But despite condemning the incident, the government has not taken any action against the move. Now, outrage is growing over the issue across the country. Opposition has slammed the International Motor Company over showing solidarity for Marines who've been charged under the law for being murderers. BJP said that such a move impinges on our sovereignty.
Totally unacceptable, and I think the Ministry of External Affairs should come out strongly. We've heard this morning that they've responded on some kind of a way on this matter, but I think the BJP would think this is an issue of blatant sort of interference into the legal system of the country. India is a sovereign country and our citizens have been killed, and if anything, if they have an argument to put forward, they should be doing it in the court, and which is why they are held here.
The question we are asking is, shouldn't the government move to bar Ferrari from participating in the Indian Grand Prix altogether? Shouldn't at least they be stopped from displaying the insignia of the Italian Navy on their racing cars? Two of my colleagues now join me on this story. Achint Anand, who is at the Buddh International Circuit, where the Grand Prix has begun, and my colleague Maha Siddiqui, who tracks the External Affairs Ministry. But I want to ask you first, Maha, about this mere lip service which has been done by the External Affairs Ministry. Can't they do something other than just release these platitudes about how sports and politics should not be mixed?
What the Ministry of External Affairs believes is that a tit-for-tat approach may not really yield any result, and that expressing displeasure in the sternest possible words, which they have tried to do this morning, is the best that they can do at the moment, saying that a sporting event should not be used for anything apart from sports, and using it to make a political statement like this clearly is not in keeping with the spirit of sports. Apart from that, they do not want to escalate this matter to a level where there is diplomatic bitterness between the two countries. As you already know, Padmaja, that this matter went on for a very long time. Remember, when Italy did not even agree that its Marines were in Indian waters when they shot at the two fishermen, they continued to say that they were in international waters and they should be tried in Italy. So even at that time, their minister had come, there was intense pressure on India. So India wants to not upset, I could say, the situation as it exists at this point in time, with the two Marines being tried in India by the law of the land.
All right, Maha, just stay on with me, because I'll get a word in from Achint from the Buddh International Circuit in a minute. But Father Churchill, someone who's been helping the fisherman's family to get justice, he's also related to the fishermen who were shot dead by these Italian Marines. He joins us now on the phone line. Do you think this is blatant insensitivity, sir, on the part of Ferrari to display the insignia of the Italian Navy, supposedly in a show of solidarity with two men who killed our fishermen? Father Churchill, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Father Churchill, how do you react to this move by Ferrari?
This move is that justice must be done to the victims of Indian fishermen. That the government has not done any justice to the fishermen. But one thing is that Many other incidents and accidents took place for the fishermen in the sea. But this is the first time that in Kerala we could capture the ship which was used to kill the fishermen. And the Italian government could console the both abandoned sisters of Ajit Singh and the wife of Jalasin and her two children by giving 1 crore rupees each. That is just to compensate not the lives of the two fishermen killed by the Italian Navy personnel, but just to support their livelihood alone.
All right. In fact, Thomas, who is the lawyer of the victims' families, also joins us now. Thomas, what do you think of this move of Ferrari to display insignia of the Italian Navy in solidarity with the killer Marines?
I think Ferrari's move is to please the Italian government, and by making an issue at this stage to gather support to the Marines who are facing Indian courts is actually making a mockery of the Indian legal system. Actually, they are before the Indian legal system and they have submitted themselves to the India's jurisdiction. So
Absolutely.
At this stage, by using an international sporting event, it's against the spirit of the sports also.
Absolutely. Are they trying to make a mockery of the Indian judicial system, the Indian law? Achintanand, my colleague, is at the Buddh International Circuit, but nothing will deter Ferrari, it seems, despite the outrage across the country, Achint. They are still intent that that logo will stay there. They will express their support for these two jailed Marines.
Absolutely. Padmaja, when I contacted the F1 Supremo, he was pretty stern about the fact that he totally wanted to get away from the politics involved in this particular sensitive issue. However, the Ferrari team head as well as the Ferrari spokesperson were very adamant. However, they only stated what was there in the Ferrari website. Now, had there been any explanation given by the Ferrari team, it would have come down to the media, but they are preferring not to speak to the media at all. However, the flag still remains. The cars are racing with the race flag, with the Italian Navy flag. And there is no word from the Italian spokesperson over here in the Ferrari camp that they are in any mood to have a word with the FIA, FOM as well as the Bernie Ecclestone, the FIA Supremo at this point of time.
All right. So Ferrari says this is not a political statement, but this is a deeply emotive issue. What are they trying to prove by expressing this so-called solidarity? Thank you, everyone, for joining us on that story.